Ever wonder how some guys seem to effortlessly occupy the minds of women they're interested in? It's not magic or luck. It's basic psychology. The truth is, there are subtle tricks you can use to make her think about you constantly. You know, in that way, she's distracted in the middle of the day because she can't get you out of her head. Where most guys go wrong is that they focus too much on physical attraction and not enough on mental attraction. But when you know how to spark her imagination and trigger feelings of excitement, that's when you'll have her hooked. The good news is, with a few simple mind tricks up your sleeve, you'll be well on your way to becoming the man she can't stop daydreaming about. 1. Creating an emotional roller coaster. Mix, push, and pull. Creating an emotional roller coaster will keep her thinking about you constantly. By mixing signals that show you're interested with signals that you're unavailable, you create excitement and anticipation. Push by initiating contact. Reach out first by calling, texting, or making plans. Say you were thinking about her and wanted to say hi. Compliment her and ask open-ended questions to get the conversation flowing. The more you contact her, the more she'll contact you. Pull by seeming unavailable. After pushing for a bit, pull away by not always being available. Don't respond to her texts right away, or say you have other plans when she wants to meet up. This unpredictability sparks her interest and keeps her wondering about you. Find the right balance. The key is moderation. Push and pull in equal measure. If you only push, you'll seem needy and desperate. If you only pull, she'll lose interest from a lack of contact. A good rule of thumb is that for every 3-4 times you reach out, pull away once. Keep her guessing to stay on her mind. Mixing signals, contacts, and compliments with unavailability and uncertainty ignites her attraction by activating her desire for you. She's left wanting more, kept in suspense, and thinking about you constantly. Mastering this push-pull technique is key to keeping her interest piqued and making her crave you when you're not around. By creating the ideal emotional roller coaster, her feelings will be on a thrill ride with ups, downs, and twists that always lead her back to you. 2. Leveraging scarcity. Make yourself rare. One of the most powerful ways to make her think about you constantly is to leverage the psychological principle of scarcity. When something becomes scarce, we tend to value it more. Apply this to yourself by not always being available and accessible to her. Don't respond to her texts and calls right away. Wait at least 30-60 minutes before replying, if not longer. Keeping some mystery about your whereabouts and not dropping everything the moment she contacts you subconsciously signals to her that your time and attention are valuable. Don't see her every day, even if you want to. Make plans to get together 2 to 3 times a week, maximum. Absence makes the heart grow fonder, after all. Have your own interests and hobbies outside of her and your relationship. Pursue your own goals and friends to create a healthy space between you two. When you are together in person, be fully present. Make eye contact. Listen intently, and engage with her fully. Give her your undivided attention. Then, when you part, don't text or call her right after leaving. Wait until the next day or so to make contact again. This hot and cold technique may seem counterintuitive, but it works. Always being available suggests your time isn't in high demand. But when you suddenly become scarce, she will start to miss you and crave your company. Her mind will wander to you when you're not around, and she'll look forward to the next time she sees you. Using scarcity and unpredictability is a powerful way to keep her interested and make her think about you constantly. But don't overdo it, or she may become annoyed with your lack of availability and attention. Find the right balance to keep her wanting more. 3. Planting memories. Get inside her head. To get inside her head and stay there, you need to plant memorable experiences. Do small things that trigger memories of you when you're not around. These psychological tricks will have her thinking of you constantly. Inside jokes. Share private jokes and references that you both find amusing. Drop them into conversation when you're together, and she'll associate those moments of laughter and bonding with you. She'll chuckle about them when you're apart, and you'll come to mind. A signature fragrance. Have a signature scent that you wear whenever you see her. After some time, she will associate that particular fragrance with you. When she smells it elsewhere, you'll instantly pop into her thoughts. This works especially well if it's a unique fragrance that stands out. Memorable dates. Plan memorable dates by doing engaging activities together, like going to an amusement park, stargazing at night, or visiting a botanical garden. The experiences you share will be etched into her memory, causing her to frequently recall details of your time together. Leave small reminders. Find opportunities to leave small reminders of yourself in her life. It could be a book you recommended, a snack you shared, or an inside joke you have. When she sees or uses these items, your name will come to mind and stir up feelings of fondness. Compliments and notes. Offer sincere compliments and leave occasional handwritten notes for her. She will appreciate your thoughtfulness and kind words. After some time has passed, she will read them again, instantly transported back to that moment and how you made her feel. Your actions and messages will linger in her thoughts. Using these psychological techniques to frequently trigger memories of meaningful moments together is a sure way to get inside her head and capture her thoughts. She won't be able to stop thinking about you,